Let me teach you how you guys can add channels to YouTube Kids. So for that, you need both this app, the YouTube Kids and YouTube app on your phone. Open up the YouTube app and go to whichever channel you want to share. So I want to share this channel. So what I can do is click on the three dot at the top and then click on the option share. Then I need to click on with kids option at the bottom. Then choose the YouTube channel to which I want to share. So I want to share it with Kyle. So I will click on Kyle and then click on done. Then the channel will be shared. Now I need to open YouTube Kids. After opening YouTube Kids, there's going to be a shared option over here. So right now I'm not getting the shared option, but it should come up real soon. And if it doesn't comes up for you, you can just close the YouTube Kids app and reopen it again. And then you're going to get an envelope icon over here. And from that envelope icon, you can watch the video or the channel which you just shared here. Now for me, the envelope icon is not appearing because it takes a bit of time, but hopefully for you, it's going to appear. Hope I was able to help you guys. See you guys in my next video. Subscribe to our channel.